Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today we have LAZR expiring and it's in the money, so I'm going to try to roll. Now I don't think I'll be able to roll diagonal since it's so deep in the money, but I'm going to try to go out and get a credit for going out. So 40 cents, so I'm going to go 35 cents. And gives me about a month to make good on this. So that's good. Okay, submit. And haven't always had the best luck here with orders getting filled at Tastytade. But it looks like we're right at where we need to be. Alright, let's try to go down a little to get somebody to bite on this. Hopefully we'll be able to get a fill. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, it's not working. August 5th is the next earnings date. But it looks like it's not giving me a fill at the mid. So I'm going to have to go down a little further. Wow, this is crazy. Come on, Tastytade. Get your act together. Don't make me go all the way down to the bid. You know what I mean? Can usually do better. Oh, finally filled. Hallelujah. Alright, let's go back, check our position. Alright, now we're good till July 30th, another month. Alright, guys. Hopefully this stock is going to be going up in value again. We're already out of trouble with DocuSign. Chewy looks like it's coming back a little. Or it was. It's up to 80. My cost basis on Chewy is 91.50 about. So that's pretty good. So we're still underwater a bit. But with every trade we make, let's go to activity. With every trade we make, we get further in the green. So you can see here, Chewy is still a bit underwater. LAZR looks like we're still a bit underwater as well, because we're so far below. We're $1,000 under where it should be, or $10 under the stock price, which is about $1,000. But you can see I've sold some puts and been rolling calls, so doing okay for the year, evidently. Unrealized gains 245. Unrealized losses basically are still there. So we need the stock to go back up, sell a covered call, get rid of the stock, so I can get back to normal on this account, because this account's only meant to do options. That's why I set it up. That's why I wanted to do it. I like to go over here to this tab, follow all these really smart people. Liz and Jenny, they do some pretty good trades. I like Tom Sosnoff the best. He is this options grandmaster. Okay? So he's got a lot of cool stuff, and I follow some of his stuff. He's doing something with AMC. What's he doing there? He's doing a call and a put. Wow, way out there in August. Alright, yeah, we never know what's going to happen there. Alright, guys. Anyway, that's all I have for today on the Daily Options Trade. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.